I think it is, intellectually. I think we can all see that that's the right thing to do and the right way to go. But I don't think it means it's going to be an easy thing for the whole industry to change, to be more customer focused. And as I mentioned before, I think that it needs to be done in an integrated way. It can't just be one part of the industry changes and the other bit doesn't. So I think that it's not going to be easy for anyone, but I think that the reasons for doing so are very compelling. I think particularly as we see ourselves move into a period where we have mature infrastructure, where there's a lot more infrastructure that exists than gets built each year, then it makes a huge amount of sense to get the most out of that existing infrastructure. And I think when we recognise what that mature infrastructure means, then there'll be a whole load of changes associated with it. So for example, where you have a lot more infrastructure that already exists, then there needs to be much more focus on asset management rather than just asset creation. And it opens up all sorts of different routes to providing solutions for customers that aren't predicated on construction. And so I think there's an awful lot of digital solutions that can provide better solutions for customers than just building the way out of a problem. And that's why we need to work at it as an infrastructure industry rather than just a construction industry, and why we need to be connected and why it needs to be integrated to get the optimal solution.